Hey guys, welcome back to JP's Garage. Today we have a product unboxing. I got a PitBull stand. We're gonna start taking all this plastic out and put it together. All right, let's take this wrap off. First is first. It's gonna be easier this way. This is well protected. Did a good job wrapping this thing. All right. Second part. All right. This, we have some instructions, and I think these are the pins that go on the swing arm. All right, let's put this thing together. For this, very easy. It's gonna go like that. There you go. Hit this bolt. Put it over here. Tie this up. You don't need a lot of, you don't have to tie it too hard. Perfect. So now we need to see which pin we're gonna use. I ordered two. This is for my Ducati Diavolo and the MV Agusta, and this is for the KTM. So we're gonna go with the KTM pin. You take this out, slide this in the hole, put that outside. You're gonna tie this bolt over here so this thing won't slide out. Doesn't have to be like, don't put a lot of force in it, just enough for it not to slide out. We have the pin in, the handle on. Now we have to try it on the bike. Hey guys, so I have it installed. This is how it's supposed to look. That piece slides in there, and now I just have to put force down and the bike should lift up. So I'm gonna set this down so I can show you guys. Pretty easy. Done. I like it, and I think it's the same principle. You just, obviously it has to go down, you lift done. Just slide it out. I like it. Let's roll back a little bit. Pretty simple. Well, this is it for today's video. I have more PitBull parts that I order that I'm gonna put together, but that's for another day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.